I say this in love, but some of y'all are mad at the wrong people, jealous and envious of the wrong individuals, and have hateful hearts that won't allow you to learn and like those around you. Your insecurities are costing you good connections and opportunities, and this message is not about established issues between you and others. It's about your inability to look at your spiteful behaviors that may have formed from your deficiencies, but it has nothing to do with others. You can be the type of person who hate to see people happy, thriving, and reaching their potential. The type of person, when good things happen for them, pull something from years ago to discredit their success. The type of people who have stone faces and stone hearts. Because the world is only supposed to shine on you and never on them. You can be the type of person who intentionally destroys everything that bothers your horrible heart. My response to people like those whose reflections show their realness is simply, please go heal. You will try to destroy others in an attempt to catapult yourself, but you will always be unhappy, and that's the major key. You keep losing and they keep winning. But you forgot, baby. Chess, not checkers. Now go. Please heal.